Hi, my name is Subhash and thanks for watching this video. Let me tell you something about myself. I'm an entrepreneur, behavioral analyst and a certified CEO coach. I'm excited to tell you what I do. I train and coach people to produce breakthrough results in both their professional area and personal area. I have coached and trained CEOs, entrepreneurs, senior management executives, students and even parents. I get calls from people when they're stuck in a particular area and they're unable to move forward. They could be areas like negotiation, having a critical conversation with a colleague or a family member, decision making, taking an action in an unknown area, or conflict resolution in organizations and families. Before I tell you how I coach and train people, let me talk to you about a human design. Human beings all over the world take action through a belief system based on their earlier experience. Have you noticed each one of us want to be successful in all areas of our life? But the truth is we are successful in some areas and not successful in some other areas. What do you do when you are not successful in a particular area? You start doing things differently and you may succeed or may not succeed. When you don't succeed, what do? You start telling yourself you are not good at that, or it is not for me, or I cannot. You keep repeating the sentences in your conscious mind. Over a period, it gets embedded in your subconscious mind. This gets added into your belief system and you stop taking actions in that area. Over a period, you become resigned and cynical in this area of your life. This leads to a disempowering self-limiting belief and an emotion around it. Over a period, you stop taking actions in this area because the moment you want to take an action, this disempowering emotion pulls you back not to take an action. Have you noticed how much ever people give you solutions, you read books or get information from the net, you are unable to move forward. You wonder why. The reason being, for human beings, it is always emotions which cause results. You don't realize a small shift in your emotion can cause great results in that area for you. Though you have become resigned and cynical, you want to prove to the world that you are successful. So what do you do now? You start working hard on areas where you are already successful and produce great results. At the end of the day, you may be successful, but you may not be fulfilled because you have not got what you really wanted in your life. If you look at every sport has a coach. Every winner has a coach. A coach is a person who is not part of your result, but is committed for you to produce a result. Now I tell you how I coach people. I get into a conversation with you to look at what you really want in life and where you are stopped. During the conversation, you get in depth into the self-limiting belief in that area and also the emotion around it. Due to my vast experience in coaching and my intuition, I am able to show you why you behave the way you behave. You get to the source of the self-limiting belief and the emotion around it. Now you create new emotions, beliefs and behaviors to produce radical results in that area. You get inspired to take an action and you start producing results. You could get into our testimonial section of our website and look at what people got out of their association with us. My passion is to empower you, and if you believe you will be benefited by associating with us, please call us. Thanks for watching this video and looking forward to meet you soon. Thank you.